In this video, I will share a powerful and a very effective parabolic SAR strategy. This strategy has a high win rate and it can make you almost 200% profit within 3 days. And I had back tested it. I will show you, watch this video full. You will see at the end of the video I have the results. And first of all, you will select time frame as 15 minutes and you will select the indicator. First indicator will be parabolic SAR and the second indicator will be EMA, 6 EMA by Newton CD. And now after selecting these two indicators, we will change the EMA settings. So guys, in this video I will not use EMA, but generally I will tell you why I applied this to our chart. Actually, EMA show you a general trend of the market. So if you are used to crypto, you can understand the market sentiment by only seeing the EMA moving average lines. So let me demonstrate you first. For example, you can see candles are below 200 EMA, then it is a bearish sentiment and the market is in a bearish trend. And so now let's come to our main topic, which is parabolic SAR. Our main strategy will be based on parabolic SAR. So first of all, the settings will be same. I will increase the dot size. Here you can see they are more visible now. So now what we will do it, let me we will do is, first of all, we will wait for a star. Our basic strategy will based on star. Whenever a star appears, for example here star appears for a short trade, is showing us a sell signal, we will place this horizontal line below the previous star. So if you can see, here is our profit from this after broken down of our horizontal line. Let me show you another example so you can further clear what this thing. Let me clear all this chart so we can let me show you. Here if we see, there is a new store which showing us a buying signal. Let me show you. And here is the previous star, so I will apply a horizontal line, and you see there the candles didn't broke that horizontal line, so we will not buy it, and it is a false buy signal, so this is eliminated. So with this horizontal line strategy, we can eliminate easily the wrong signal. And here you can see our short is also not also eliminated, because short is also didn't broken at the previous store. So let me for this in new store, if we apply here, let me clear these previous horizontal lines. If we apply here on this previous star, you can see this buy signal, new buy signal is valid, because here it is broken down by candle, and we will apply 1% stop loss. Remember this, you can increase it to the previous swing low, but I will suggest you to stay with 1% stop loss, and risk to reward ratio will be 1.5, or you can also use 1.5% fixed reward. I had calculated result for both. You will understand which one is better, 1 to 1.5 risk to reward or 1.5% fixed. So I have calculated result for both. So you can see this is our win trade. And now after this, let me here show you. Let me take a second. So if we see, here our horizontal line has broken down this, but we will not taken this sell signal. I will tell you why there is a big cross on this, and why we should not take this. First, although it is a signal on our EMA, below EMA 100 EMA, it should be a winning signal, but it didn't. I will tell you why. So let me show you another buy signal. You can see it is broken down at here. If we apply it or target, and our trade will be a winning trade with 1 to 1.5 risk to reward ratio. Let me show you. If here is one or profit booked, yes, it is also a winning trade. And you see that this strategy is really powerful. If you apply in your trading, it will really recover your losses and will make you a good handsome amount of money within few days. So now let me show you the gift indicator for this, to eliminate further and to increase efficiency of this system. So let me clear the chart a bit so you can see. And let me show you here a thing. For example, if we see, here is our stop short trade, which is a profitable trade. And if we decrease this signal, uh, let me show you this gift indicator, which is our squeeze indicator, this one. So let me show you. Here we have this cross. I will explain you why this is a cross, which means this signal, although it is valid by all the point conditions we have studied, which means it had broken down the horizontal line, but it still was a false signal. You see, I hope you understand what I'm trying to say you. This cross is also a cross on green. Whenever there is a green in momentum indicator, you will not open any type of short signal. And similarly, whenever the momentum is red, you will not open any type of buy signal, even if it is shown by our conditions or rules. So I hope it is clear to you now. So basically you will use squeeze momentum. So here is our ratio. If we have 1 to 1.5 fixed, we have 73%, and with momentum indicator it is 81% win rate. So here is also our profit. So I hope you like today's video, and don't forget to backtest it by yourself or try in your trading setups. And good luck.